Your Honor, clearly these legal pads should be illegal pads.
It's like the worst style combined with the best way to waste paper.
I object to single-use notepads! Sustained!
More like sustainability.
We're from Rocketbook, and we make notebooks from the future.
At Rocketbook, we've been making reusable notebooks for years. We've shipped millions to professionals and students around the world while saving countless trees. We're pretty happy with a best-selling notebook. But we came all the way from the future and space to rescue all natural writing surfaces. And there is just something about the simplicity of notepads that we love. So, we spent 9 months in our lab creating a brand new product that preserved the simplicity of a notepad but was endlessly reusable and endlessly awesome. This is the Rocketbook Orbit, and it flips the page to the digital age. The Orbit uses Rocketbook technology, which allows you to write, scan, erase, and reuse your notes like other Rocketbook notebooks. But with the Orbit, you can also flip, flop, and swap your pages out whenever you want. Here's how it works. Write on the pages using any pen from the Pilot Friction line. Friction ink firmly bonds to the pages in seconds, but with a little water, wipes away like magic. So you can use the pages over and over and over. Orbit page packs snap into the binding using magnetic force, so you can flip to the next page and keep things tidy. Or reverse the page pack over to switch from lines to dot grid. You can even swap in a whole new page pack so you always have the right pages for the right job. With multiple page packs and patterns to choose from, it's like magic making for your note-taking. The Rocketbook Orbit also works with the Rocketbook app in an amazing new way. So before you wipe your notes off the page, you can instantly blast them online to your favorite cloud surfaces, perfectly organized and named the way you want. On the top of each Orbit page is a title bar, which the app sees and translates your handwriting into the file name. And on the bottom of each page are 7 symbols, which you can configure in the Rocketbook app. You can assign each symbol to a location within Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, or many more services. So you can name your algebra notes and send it right to your math folder on Google Drive. Or name your meeting notes and blast them right to your shared team folder on Dropbox. Launch your next big idea with a blank sheet. With the Orbit, you can flip the page to the digital age. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
The Ultrasona is an ultra-portable device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible. We built the Ultrasona for travelers cleaning on the go without breaking the bank, moms and dads trying to clean for those who can't clean for themselves, and for those just looking for a better way to clean clothing, fruits, veggies, jewelry, and hundreds of other things. At 50,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second, you can actually see the dirt lifting off the clothes, jewelry, food, and more. The Ultrasona cleans deeper, more thoroughly, and more effectively than anything else in your house. Here's how it works. Ultrasona generates microscopic ultrasonic sound waves that create high-pressure bubbles in the water that collapse and dislodge contaminants from surfaces at the microscopic level. That's right. It literally uses sound waves to eliminate dirt, grime, oil, and bacteria from virtually anything. The waves are powerful enough to break through this tin foil but it's gentle enough to clean delicates and lingerie that can't go in the washer. Ultrasona is actually gentler than hand washing. All you have to do is put Ultrasona in water and plug it in. It's that easy. Ultrasona brightens linens and cleans stains in minutes. It's safe to use with satin, lace, and other delicate materials. With such concentrated power, Ultrasona cleans fast and deep. Ultrasona is the perfect cleaning tool for families. It can clean baby products, toys, and bed sheets in seconds. Clean scuffs and stains, and restore a brilliant shine to jewelry. Clean makeup off brushes and pads. Lift hard-to-clean grease off tools, and easily clean paintbrushes. It can also clean your razor and other personal hygiene items. Put Ultrasona into the sink after a meal and relax while it does all the work. Clean fresh fruits and vegetables and eliminate harmful pesticides and other contaminants in seconds. Sterilize the items most vulnerable to bacteria and protect those most vulnerable to microscopic dangers. Enjoy a cleaner home and a healthy family with Ultrasona. Simple presettings for jewelry, dishes, clothing, and food means you can plug and clean with a simple touch in seconds. Designed as a travel-friendly cleaner, Ultrasona is compact and lightweight enough for a day trip or extended vacation. It easily fits in purses, backpacks, or travel bags. Tired of loud washers? Ultrasona is almost completely silent, so you can wash without waking up the whole house. Not only is Ultrasona super quiet and super effective, it's also environmentally friendly. Until now, we've relied on conventional washing machines, dishwashers, and chemicals to do our cleaning. These outdated methods are expensive and waste massive amounts of water. Every year, water wastage contributes to disease and scarcity all over the world. It has also led to the tapping of irreplaceable groundwater supplies and permanent damage to the planet. The average household uses 36,000 gallons of water annually, 40% of which generated by your dishwasher and washing machine. Not only does Ultrasona use 40 times less water than washing machines, it also requires 15 times less energy to run, and it doesn't need hot water, one of the main carbon producers in homes. Ultrasona can reduce your water waste by thousands of gallons and carbon footprint by hundreds of pounds per year. Clean better, smarter, greener, and faster with Ultrasona. It's the best way to clean just about anything.
Introducing Atom XL, the redefined rugged 4G smartphone, your ultimate portable outdoor companion, featuring a 48MP camera and a DMR walkie-talkie function. 2 years ago, we successfully thrilled the Kickstarter community by launching Atom, the smallest 4G rugged smartphone. We did not let down our backers, and since then have received a lot of positive feedback and new inspirations from our users. We listened carefully, and now we are back with upgraded performance and features. The Atom XL is a solid and powerful phone in a handy size with military-grade protection. Dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof. Capture your best moments with a simple click. A 48MP camera allows you to take stunning photos and videos in any situation, even underwater. The 4-inch screen size makes the Atom XL a perfect handheld smartphone that suits your everyday life, but mainly it's designed for action and adventure lovers, durable and reliable in a variety of extreme environments. The phone features a comprehensive and updated GPS system, perfect for navigation, and with the built-in air pressure sensor, you can easily measure your altitude anytime. You won't get lost, and if you reach areas without network coverage, you can use the DMR walkie-talkie function. With a longer-lasting 4300 mAh battery and an extremely efficient power management system, you can use the Atom XL for up to 3 days with no recharge. The upgraded CPU and memory will improve the smartphone's performance significantly. The Atom XL is a strong, powerful, resistant, and reliable smartphone. So please support us and start your next adventure with the Atom XL.
Meet SHARGE, the world's smallest and lightest 65-watt triple-port charger for your laptop and smart devices. With 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and support for the latest fast charging protocols, SHARGE is the single charger you'll ever need. SHARGE is palm-sized, easily fits your jeans coin pocket and the smallest corners in your briefcase, handbag, or backpack. SHARGE weighs less than a deck of cards, can of soda, pack of cigarettes, tub of peanut butter, newborn chihuahua, roll of tape, half a Big Mac, belt, orange, light bulb, soap. You get the point. And for even more compactness, SHARGE features folding plug pins. Our secret sauce is called gallium nitride, a powerful new semiconductor material enabling smaller and more efficient charging. SHARGE fast charges any laptop, whether Apple or PC, at up to 65 watts. To put that into perspective, the latest 13-inch MacBook Pro ships with a 61-watt charger. The latest MacBook Air ships with a 45-watt charger. The latest 12.9-inch iPad Pro ships with an 18-watt charger. Used all 3 ports simultaneously to charge tablets, smartphones, smartwatches, power banks, or any USB device. SHARGE comes with a free 5-foot premium braided USB-C cable that contains an eMOC chip for full 65 wattage right out of the box. Whether for travel or everyday use, SHARGE, the single charger you'll ever need.
Introducing the KLOS Guitars Full Carbon Series. KLOS Guitars has shipped over 5,000 instruments to over 70 countries in all 50 states. We've gotten many requests to make 100% carbon fiber instruments, so we finally did. The Full Carbon Series features a carbon fiber neck with a composite fretboard that won't wear down with playing. The C-shaped neck is comfortable to play, and with the ukulele body and neck being one piece, there is higher fret access because there's no neck heel. The bolt-on guitar neck is detachable by simply removing 4 screws. The guitar neck is full scale length with a truss rod, and the patented carbon fiber soundboard is constructed to be durable while sounding amazing. But don't just take our word for it, listen to these first impressions.
This would be the perfect ukulele. Smooth, can play nice, and you can take it apart to travel. Since I travel a lot, I need one of these.
The weight just really blows my mind.
Carbon fiber is a very strong material that is used in extreme industries because of its strength and its resistance to temperature and humidity changes. After extensive testing, we know these instruments will survive all of your adventures. Aside from being durable, the new Full Carbon Series has been engineered to sound amazing. When it comes down to playing every day, you want your instrument to feel nice to your fingers so that you keep coming back, which is why we pay particular attention to the nut, saddle, and frets to produce superb playability. Our instruments also come with amazing gig bags that were designed with functionality in mind so that traveling with an instrument is fun, not a pain. So say goodbye to worrying about temperature or humidity damaging your ukulele or guitar. We can't wait to see what you do with your KLOS instrument.